Hello friends, myself Pooja Bhand. I have completed computer science from SP College Pune. Today's date is 23rd Feb 2022. Today's topic is life history of Azim Premji. Azim Hasim Premji was born on 24th July 1945 in Mumbai to a Muslim family. His father Mohammad Hashim Premji was known as the Rice King of Gulma. The founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, invited Premji's father to live in Pakistan, which the latter turned down and chose to return in India. In case 1945, Azim Premji's father Mohammad Hashim Premji established Western Indian vegetable products. The company manufactured sunflower vanaspati, that is cooking oil, and a laundry soap, a byproduct of cooking oil and a laundry soap 787. Azim Premji is a graduate in electrical engineering from Stanford University in USA. Premji is married to Yasmin and the couple has two sons, Rishad Premji and Tarya Premji. Currently, the elder son Rishad is the chairman of Wipro Limited. In 2001, he came up with the Azim Premji Foundation with a vision of develop the elementary education system in rural government schools. Mr. Organization works jointly with the state government like Karnataka, Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Uttarakhand and Puducherry. In 1966, Azim Premji, after his father's death, returned to India from the USA and took the charge of Wipro. The Western Indian Vegetable Products Company was later devised by Azim Premji into the company manufacturing bakery products and ethnic ingredients based hair care soaps, etc. In the 1980, after the exclusion of IBM from India, recognized the importance of the IT industry and manufactured many computers under the technological collaboration with an American company, Sanitary Computer Corporation. In the year 2011, Azim Premji established a non-profit organization known as Azim Premji Foundation in December 2010. Azim Premji package in donate 2 billion USD for improving the conditions of school education in India. For the Azim Premji transferred to 13 million equity shares of Wipro Limited held by him to the Azim Premji Foundation. This one of the largest donation in India. The modern 2019, Azim Premji pledged 34% shares of Wipro held by him to Azim Premji's Foundation. The Azim Premji's Foundation has wanted the citizens against the fake messages claiming to be the foundation and requesting donation for the trust. Thank you.